Good morning, everybody. My name's Robin, and this is Marie. Welcome to your Auslan story time. This morning we're going to sing a nursery rhyme. You might like to sing along with us. In this nursery rhyme, there is a little bird called Peter and a little bird called Paul. Okay, let's get started. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. I think we can do that one again. Okay. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. You might like to keep singing that one at home with your family. Thanks for joining us this morning. We will see you next time. Bye from me, Robin, and bye from Marie.